In this tutorial, I will show you brush preset, how to create brush in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. So I would like to create a brush of this starfish. So first of all, I would like to remove the background. I am clicking here from the properties panel, remove background. After that, you can see the shadow has been staying here. So I am very quickly I am selecting brush tool, and here is black. I am clicking this brush, make it smaller, and painting black to remove the shadow from here. I am very quick. This is only for demonstration purpose, not so. This is making it very quick adjustment here, painting black. So you can see, so I am applying this layer mask, and also I am Ctrl Shift U to desaturate this starfish. After that, I am creating a marquee selection and then edit, and here is you will find define brush preset. I am clicking here and I am starfish. This is starfish. I named this brush and creating OK, and you can see here is the brush. So now I am coming here in another canvas, okaying it, accepting it, and I am coloring it green, and you can see this is starfish. This brush is starfish I have just created. So I am making the size smaller, and you can see I have just created this brush and now painting. You can make it any color as you wish, any color, and in this way you can make any brush inside Adobe Photoshop. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep it.